Look at how much her hair has grown. This is almost 2 years of hair growth. Team Plus. This is again Amy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Cake of my canal. So in today's video, we're here again with another hair video. It's another detangle day. Today is wash day and detangling. If you guys watch my last vlog, I show you guys this product that I picked up from the TK Maxx. I really love this product. I love the conditioner, I love their shampoo, and then I also pick up their hair mask and hair treatment and leave-in hairspray. I love this product. So this is what I have been using on the kids hair. And when it comes to moisturizing, I have been using the Blue Magic leave-in condition moisturizer with shea butter and my DIY hair oil. When it comes to the kids hair, I'm very consistent, but when it comes to mine, I'm always cutting my hair off, so I'm not really paying too much focus and attention on my own hair, because I know I always cut it. But for the kids hair, I'm very consistent, and my daughter's hair has grown so much with all the experiment oil that I'm using, and just being consistent with the way I detangle and the protective hairstyle I do. So this is the process that I go through when it's time to detangle. I have a spray bottle with hot water. I use my onions oil. This is the only time I get to use the onions oil, because that oil smell of onions, and the kids don't really like using that oil. So the only time I get to use the oil is when I'm doing detangling or deep conditioner. So I put the onions oil in the water, I add some conditioner, and then I also add the new hair treatment mask in it, because as I'm done detangling, I'm going to let them sit under the steaming cap so that the product can actually penetrate into the hair. So this is my daughter's hair, Aliyah. Aliyah's hair has grown so much. Her hair is really long, and she wants a blowout. She wants to like straighten the hair just for one or 2 days, and she has been begging me. But now I'm like, we're in the winter, the place is really cold. I don't think it will be nice for you to blow dry your hair. So I promise her in the summer that she will get a blow dry. So hopefully she will forget about it before the summer, because I'm not really planning to put heat on her hair. Hopefully she will forget about it before the summer, but if she doesn't forget about it, I just have to do it. But yeah, so this is the process I go through. I spray the hair with the mixture, with the mixture in the spray bottle. I also add some conditioner. I go in with 2 combs. I have this wild tooth comb, and I have also a little bit of more of a finer tooth comb to make it sure that the hair is detangled. So this is how I detangle the hair. The hair is not really like I already detangled it because I washed the hair with shampoo. Just think 4 days ago I washed the hair with shampoo. I wash the kids' hair with shampoo once in a while. It's not every time I use shampoo. Sometimes I use cleansing and conditioner, and I don't also put a lot of products on their scalp. So, and when I wash the hair, I take the shampoo that I'm using, I put it in a separate bottle. I add some onions and some garlic, and I use that to wash their hair, because sometimes they do have this like really their scalp is really dry, and to prevent dandruff or extra drying scalp, so I use onions in their shampoo. So I have this bottle of container in the bathroom that contains shampoo, onions, and garlic. I just let it sit there, and anytime I'm washing my own hair or the girls' hair, I use it, and their hair feels really clean when I use that. And I use it once a while. It's not I don't use it every single day, because I don't wash their hair every single day. If I wash their, it depends on the protective style they have. If they have a protective hairstyle that lasts for a month, then I wash the hair once a month. If I have a protective hairstyle that only lasts for 1 or 2 weeks, when I take the protective hairstyle out, all I do is conditioner, and that's it. I don't wash with shampoo. So it all depends on the kind of protective hairstyle I have and how long it lasts on their head. So I go first with the wild tooth comb, and then I go again with the fine comb just to make sure like there's no tangles everywhere. detangle everywhere. It's smooth. I got all the knots out. In this process, you have to be patient. It's not something you do in a hurry, so you have to be patient. That's the reason I washed the hair 3 days ago, and now it's just detangling and going through the deep conditioning treatment, because I couldn't do it at the same time. So I'm like, you know what, let me just wash the hair. And another day, when I have more time, when I have 3 days, we will go through the detangling and put some conditioner and go through that. So even though I use the onions oil with the spray in the spray bottle, I also like to use it separately on their edges, just put some oil on the edges, on their scalp, massage it, and also at the end of the hair, because that is like the oldest part of the hair. That your ends is like the oldest part, and I really focus on that whenever I'm doing conditioner or deep conditioner. Whenever I'm actually doing the kids hair, I really focus on the ends. And you guys can see my onions oil is almost finished. That means there is time to make new ones. When I'm making a new onion oil, I will do a tutorial about it. The onion oil, it smells like onions. When I said it smells like onion, it doesn't have the best smell, but trust me, if you do this once a week, if you're somebody who do like to do your hair every 2 weeks or even once a month, put this onions oil into your hair, massage it, put like the steaming cap on. Trust me, your hair will grow, your hair will look beautiful. This is what I have been using on my kids' hair. For those of you who have been following me for a long time now, actually my daughter, the younger one, Josephine, that I did a big chop on her hair. I have been using this onions oil on her hair for the last almost 2 years now, since I did her big chop, and trust me, her hair is looking really beautiful. I will show you guys the protective hairstyle I did on her. It was very, very simple. I really like it. So now I'm just going in with this plastic bag, just a random kitchen plastic bag, just to like lock everything in. And then I will let her sit underneath this steaming cap. I got this cap long time ago. It's like a dryer. If you have you have roller sets, you have other things, it's a dryer, but you can also use it as a steaming cap. Like, just put a plastic on your head and then sit under it for like 30 minutes on low heat, not super high. You can raise the heat high or low. I like to put it on low heat because I feel like that's the best. I don't want them to burn. So now that she is done, Josephine is coming. This is Josephine hair. Now she's getting better. Let me give you guys a gist. You guys know I always said when it's time to wash this girl hair, it's a struggle because she doesn't like the water to touch her face. But now she's been going for swimming lessons for a couple of weeks now. And I'm telling you, this swimming lesson is helping this girl to overcome the fear of water touching her face. So we're moving forward. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress. So now, washing her hair, the process is much more easier. She's not like panicking, crying for the water to touch her face. She's not yet 100% over it, but I can say she is like 80 to 85%. We're 85% now. She can really, now it's not like a struggle. It's not a big struggle anymore to wash her hair. So her hair has grown so much, and it's going to be 2 years since I did her big chop in April, because I know I cut her hair in April 2020, 2022 April, and 2024 April is going to be 2 years. You guys can see how long her hair is, and she have my type of hair, just that her curls is a little bit looser than mine. She have my hair. My hair is thick. When I say thick, my hair is thick, and she have my type of hair. She's between 4A, 4B, I don't know, all those hair type things, but her hair is thick. So, and her hair grows really fast, and I'm really excited just to see her hair growth. And now she can sit down to do her hair, being on the tablet. It's not like before where she would cry, panic. She's growing older, and the swimming is also helping her to overcome the fear of the water touching her face. So the process of making her hair is becoming a little bit more easier. But just that doing protective hairstyle, we haven't got to that stage yet where she will sit down for me to do a full tutorial showing you guys how I do her hair. But I'll definitely show you guys the simple protective hairstyle I did on her, and I really love her. I really love her hair. Her hair is really, really beautiful, and yeah, I'm just happy. I can't wait for the day we can just sit down and do the hair without any crazy face expressions, because sometimes I feel so bad filming her if she's not like feeling good, or if she's not happy, if she's giving me this weird face. I just don't like to film her. So but yeah, I'm just so excited that we are moving forward. She's overcoming her fear, and so I'm also wrapping her hair with this plastic bag, and she's also going to sit down underneath the dryer. I gave her a kiss because she was like really quiet, and I'm tell her I'm really proud of you, a big girl, just trying to motivate her so the process will be more easier. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much.